Imagine building an automated solar tracking system that follows the sun throughout the day, or a standing desk that adjusts to your perfect height with the push of a button. The missing link between your brilliant idea and making it move? Understanding how to safely connect microcontrollers to linear actuators. Here's the problem that stumps even experienced makers. Microcontrollers operate at 5 volts and can only handle about 40 milliamps of current per pin. But linear actuators, those powerful devices that create precise straight-line motion, need 12 or 24 volts and draw several amperes. That's like trying to power a freight train with a watch battery. Connect them directly, and you'll instantly fry your microcontroller. The solution lies in relay-based control circuits. Think of relays as electrical switches that let your low-power microcontroller control high-power devices safely. Your microcontroller sends a tiny signal to the relay, which then switches the heavy current needed by the actuator. It's elegant and bulletproof. But here's where it gets interesting. Linear actuators are bidirectional, meaning they extend and retract by reversing voltage polarity. This requires specific relay configurations and careful programming to ensure smooth, controlled motion. Add position feedback sensors, and suddenly you're creating systems with millimeter precision. Whether you're automating greenhouse vents, building custom robotics, or creating adaptive furniture, mastering this interface opens up incredible possibilities. The key is understanding the power requirements, implementing proper relay control, and writing code that manages timing and direction changes safely. Want to dive deeper into wiring diagrams, code examples, and component selection? Find the link in the description below to read the full article.